Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to add transparent image background in Google Docs. Let's get started. Insert the image first. Wrap the image. Go to image option. Text wrapping in front of text. Size and rotation. Click the position. Here check mark the fixed position on page and increase the image size. Click the adjustment, reduce the opacity, click the again text wrapping behind text. I added transparent image background just on page. If you want to add transparent image background whole document, you have to go insert menu, watermark, insert the image, increase the image scale, you can increase this image manually. Just double click on the image, increase the image size, and remove the fade out. Click the more option and reduce the opacity. And click the outside of page, check the background. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.